Hi guys and girls on YouTube, and welcome to my channel. This is just a quick video. I've not actually videoed this because I didn't think I'd be able to fix this, but as it happens I have fixed it, and so I'm just going to show you in this video. I'm just going to show you what it was and where to look. Now this is a JVC party speaker, and if we look at there, have we got that in focus? No, yeah, we have there. Well, the model number is a MX-D829PB, and this came in as soon as you turned it on here. The battery indicator would, the battery was full, the indicator would drop to 0, and it would say low battery switching off, and then it would switch itself off. Now I've actually taken the battery out. The battery is in the bottom, in case you're looking for it, where the wheels are. I tested the battery was definitely alright. So don't bother buying a new battery if you find your battery's fully charged. But anyway, that was the fault. You turned it on, it said low battery, and it turned itself right back off again. So let me just show you what the problem was. You'll know where to look next time. So the fault was actually on this front panel. It's had a liquid spill, and I've just changed a couple of surface mounted resistors here. One was 473 47k, and the other one was Mar 01C, and that was 01C. That was a 10k one. They were both open circuit due to a liquid spill. So let me show you what the problem is. I've actually taken this on my phone because the resolution on these cheap phones is absolutely incredible. You can see round there, that's where the liquid spill is. There's one resistor there I've changed, and there's another one there. Hang on, the phone's going off. It was R55, and I think that's R64, and that was 55. That's 10k and that's 47k. They were both open circuit. So what you want to know now is, how did the liquid get in there in the first place? Well, I'll show you. Right, so the speaker's all back together now. Let me show you what the problem was and where to look. If we take a look at this knob here, if we pull that off, you can see underneath there, there's 4 holes, and these are specially shaped, if you look, so any liquid going in here falls onto the circuit board. And the reason there's 4 holes in there is because there's 4 red LEDs, and they actually shine onto this white plastic, and that illuminates a red ring there. And the liquid spill was in this hole here, where you can see them transistors. So that's the problem. If you get one of these that switches on, says battery low, and immediately switches off, that is your problem. That's where you need to look in this top. And to disassemble it, there's 2 screws down here, and if you pull out that rubber strip there, there's 3 more screws under there. Alright guys and girls on YouTube, many thanks for watching my channel, and I'll catch you in the next one. Goodbye.
Power on. Power off.